Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one, including the negative sign in here. So this one, that should be about negative sine x sine y, negative 2y. Next, we have the x. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we just have only cosine y in here. First, the derivative of cosine y, we have negative sine y. And now we have like this. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. We have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to x. We have sine x, and that is about cosine x. So we can see that this one and this one, they are same. So that is about exact. Now, we need to set up about the function fxy equals to the integration. So I will put this one gone here plus 3xy. So the integration of cosine x, that is about sine x. The integration of 2x, we have x squared. Now, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. For the both sides, cosine y, we have negative sine y. This one you got number 0 because we don't have y. This one we put d over dy 3xy. And we know that this one equals to this one, or maybe this one too. Now we simplify negative sine x sine y for the both sides. And now we just have negative 2y. Later that we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of negative number 2y, we have negative y squared, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have 3xy. 3xy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fxy. fxy equals to c. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.